Hello, welcome back to channel. In today's video I am going to show the logical arguments of the Linux command. Everyone knows they executing a single line command, but if suppose you like to execute the another command in the same line, we can use let's try to the first command. You can see this is the first command to execute line. At the same time I am going to execute the another command ls and the double and mkdir z file. Now I am going to executing these two commands in the single line. You can see here the first command ls going to execute this all those things. The second command, first command executes only, it giving a permission to execute the next command. See, z file 1 is created. Suppose I given a wrong command in the initial. This is a wrong command of the first command, and this one is right command in the next of the first. I am going to execute this one. What they are saying, invalid option, because the first command is invalid, is not going to execute the command. This is not a pre-structured command line. So what I will do, if the command first one is wrong or right, I don't care, but I need to execute the second command. Just double pipe it, and hit enter. ls, you can see here z f1 file executed. The first command is wrong, but they executed a second command. This is the logical arguments for usage in the Linux. And one more command is there, the wc pipe command. Suppose we have lot of things to identify in the Linux, tl ulnp. See, you have bunch of processes and the things. If you like to filter it out and you have to see what only particular things, there is a command like pipe. What the pipe will do, the command of the first execution they transferring to the next command, grep =. See, the output of first command transferred to the next. I got only one process of result. This is the logical operations in the Linux operating system. This is a short video to understand. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching.